How's it going, everybody? This is Ian with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Got a nice 07 Ultra Classic I want to show you today. It's got the 96 cubic inch motor with the 6-speed transmission. Comes with the Longhorn offset highway pegs already on the bike. This one actually, previous owner, looks like he put on a 21 mag wheel with aftermarket upgraded rotors for you. Very, very pretty blue coloring. I'm not sure the exact name, but it is blue. It's got the aftermarket upgraded spot lamps for you already, LED. That's Harley Davidson. Like I said, highway peg. Nice cushy seat for you and the passenger. Comes with a CB radio front and back. Full AM FM radio with CD player. Looks like they even upgraded the speakers and put the tweeter pods on it. In the front, of course, you got to have your cup holder. Can't leave home without it. Saddlebags look good. A little bit of a scratching on top, but nothing a little buffing couldn't do. Some a little bit more scratching over here in the corner. Nice saddlebag guardrails. Looks like aftermarket upgraded slip-ons. Look like Wild Pigs by chance. Tour pack looks in good shape. Little scuffing right here, nothing major for an 07. Upgraded luggage rack, chrome. It's got some scuff marks on here, possibly when the passenger was getting on and off. No big deal, just minor. It's got roughly about 15,000 miles on it, if I remember correct. 15,430. A little bit of brake fluid leak there, no big deal. That ain't no big deal. She's in good shape for an 07. Let's see how those pipes sound. Starts up real clean. As you can tell, she runs real good. This bike's available for our extended warranty. Also got good financing on this motorcycle here. If you got any questions about this unit, you can contact our sales team at 888-400-1151. If you want to see some of the pictures we have on it, you can get on our website at cleanharleys.com. This is Ian with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for watching.